Welcome to Easy Cooking with Don Juan. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious beef and vegetable stew. And if you haven't had my beef and vegetable stew, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 3 cans of 18-ounce beef and vegetable soup. You will need 1 10-ounce can of cream of celery. You will need a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of thyme, and a tablespoon of parsley. And you will need about 1.5 cups of loose corn. You will need 1/2 of a yellow bell pepper, 1/2 of a red bell pepper. You will need 4 small cut up potatoes of your choice. You will need this brown gravy packet for the end. You will need peas and carrots for the end. And you will need 3 cups of beef stock. And when I get everything ready to go in the pot, I'll be right back. And now I'm about to show you how to put your ingredients in the pot. First, you need to put your teaspoon of thyme, tablespoon of parsley, you need your seasonings, teaspoon of black pepper, tablespoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of red pepper flakes, just to give it a little kick and a little color, teaspoon of oregano, your carrots, your 1.5 cups of carrots, loose corn, and your 4 small potatoes of your choice, and your 1/2 of a yellow bell pepper and 1/2 of a red bell pepper, just like that. And you stir it around. See how good that looks? Stir it around. And you want to let it boil. Let the potatoes get nice and soft. Let it boil for about a good 30 minutes versus an hour or 2. Okay? Because this is Easy Cooking with Don Juan. And when this beef stew is just about done, I will be right back. Now, I cooked my beef stew on medium-low for 30 minutes to make sure the potatoes got tender. And I already put my brown gravy packet in the soup to thicken up the liquor. And if you do it my way, it'll be so delicious. And here's the finished product of this easy and delicious beef stew. Look at it, y'all. It looks good, it smells good, and I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with Don Juan, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe and tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day. And make sure you watch all of my other videos.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.